Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to open Adobe Illustrator files step by step. If you've ever downloaded a design template, received a logo from a client, or found a graphic online and it ends with the file extension AI, EPS, or sometimes even PDF, you might be wondering how to properly open it inside Adobe Illustrator. The good news is that Illustrator can open several different vector file formats, and the process is very simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the exact steps from launching Illustrator all the way to opening your file so you can start editing it immediately. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in and open an Illustrator file. First, start by opening Adobe Illustrator on your computer. You can do this by clicking the Illustrator icon on your desktop, using the search bar on Windows, or opening it from the Applications folder if you're using a Mac. Once Illustrator launches, you'll usually see the home screen, which shows recent files, templates, and options for creating a new document. This screen is helpful if you recently worked on a file, but if the Illustrator file you want to open is saved somewhere on your computer, we'll use the main menu to access it. Next, go to the top menu of Adobe Illustrator and click on File. The File menu contains many of the most important actions in Illustrator, such as creating new documents, saving projects, exporting files, and of course, opening existing files. When you click File, a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this list, look for the option labeled Open. This is the command that allows you to browse your computer and load an existing design file into Illustrator. Now click on Open. As soon as you click it, a file browser window will appear on your screen. This window lets you navigate through the folders on your computer so you can locate the file you want to work with. You can move through your Documents, Downloads folder, Desktop, or any other directory where your Illustrator file might be stored. Adobe Illustrator supports multiple file formats, so besides AI files, you can also open formats like EPS, PDF, and some other compatible vector graphics files. Once you find the correct folder, locate the file you want to open. Click on the file to select it. When the file is selected, you should see its name highlighted in the file browser window. This confirms that Illustrator is ready to open that specific file. If you have multiple versions of a design, take a moment to make sure you are selecting the correct one before continuing. After selecting the file, simply click the Open button in the bottom corner of the file browser window. Adobe Illustrator will now load the file and display it on your workspace. Depending on the complexity of the design, it may take a moment for the file to fully appear. Once it loads, you'll be able to edit paths, shapes, text, colors, and any other elements included in the design. And that's all there is to it. That's how you open Adobe Illustrator files quickly and easily using the File and Open option inside Illustrator. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.